Welcome to another video of Veggie Wonders. In this video, you are going to see the tallest statue in the world. That is the Statue of Unity. Explore the Valley of Flowers. And my first helicopter ride. All of this on the banks of river Narmada in Gujarat, India. It was my Baba's birthday. We planned to visit Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh. It is the Karma Bhumi of Queen Ahilya Bai Holkar. We saw the magnificent Ahilya Fort on the banks of Narmada River. The architecture of this fort is grand and there are many ancient temples. We stayed in a tent at the resort Narmada Retreat, just opposite to the river. Next morning, I took bath in the holy waters of Narmada River. It was my first experience of bathing in the river. It was so much fun to see the boats, fish, birds and goats all in one place. Next morning, we went to Gujarat to see the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is also known as the Statue of Unity. It is the tallest statue in the world. It was my first helicopter ride. The Statue of Unity is located in the Narmada district opposite to Sardar Sarovar Dam. We stayed at Tent City and it was amazing. Also saw the laser show to understand the history of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. For more information, you can visit our blog. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.